Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about CSS. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the standard language used to create the layout and design of web pages. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at what CSS is, its main features and benefits, and how it works. CSS is a language used to control the presentation of web pages. It's used to define the layout, colors, fonts, and other visual elements of a web page. This allows for a separation of concerns, keeping the structure of a web page separate from its design and presentation. One of the main benefits of CSS is that it allows for the consistent design of web pages across a website or application. This makes it easy to maintain and update the design of a website or application, as changes can be made in one place and will be reflected across all pages. CSS also allows for the use of media queries, which can be used to change the layout and design of a web page based on the size and capabilities of the device it's being viewed on. This allows for responsive design, which ensures that web pages look great on any device. CSS also has a large and active community, which means that there are plenty of resources available to help you learn CSS and create your own designs. Additionally, CSS can be used in conjunction with other languages like HTML and JavaScript to create dynamic and interactive web pages. In conclusion, CSS is a powerful and versatile language used to control the presentation of web pages. It allows for the consistent design of web pages and responsive design. It's easy to learn and widely supported by a large community of developers. Whether you're building a simple website or a complex web application, CSS is an essential tool for creating a visually appealing and user-friendly experience. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative. CSS is an essential tool for creating visually appealing and user-friendly web pages. If you're interested in learning more about CSS and how it can help you create your own designs, be sure to check out some of the resources in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more web development and programming content. Thanks for watching.